For a few years, IP is everywhere, and IP say, yes, you have to do it. There's some people who say, why do I have to do it? Because my system works. And they look at IP, and if they look at IP, they see complicated systems. And ultimately, our experience with networking should be easy, dynamic, flexible. It does what I need it to do. And that's something we know from our home system. So if I walk to someone's home, all I need is his password. I get on the Wi-Fi and I start surfing the web. I start printing, all that kind of stuff. It just works. I don't need to know anything about that whole stuff. And I believe the audio and the video industry, if it comes to IP, we are far away from that experience. So I think rather than talking about standards and bits and bytes and all this kind of stuff and multicast addresses and things like this, we should really start talking about the user experience, where we want to go. And what we did with STAGENET is actually we start from the user experience and everything else has to follow. So how does a user want to feel if he's doing signal management over IP, audio video signals, sending it there and taking it from there? What is the dream? How should it feel? And that's where we started. So we did a user interface, a concept, which is scalable and all this kind of stuff. And it feels actually, to a degree, like a web shop, maybe. That's where you find your articles really quickly. Out of thousands of articles, you can find quickly what you're looking for. And that's kind of a paradigm we translated into signals. You have thousands of signals, content you're looking for on your network. And that's where we start. And then do we use which standards, how, all that kind of stuff? Yeah, we love them. We do take all these standards into account if they serve the purpose of the user experience. If they don't, we do shortcuts, we extend them, we do everything necessary, but not compromising the user experience. We need an ecosystem which serves audio, video, or IP, and in contrast to some manufacturers, we chose to talk to other vendors who are sharing this conviction of the simplified, easy to use experience. And that's actually, those people reacted very positively and they said, we want to be part of this, let's make it happen, let's show the world how it can feel. Standards are essential. Strongly believe in standards, but they have to reach the point so the user can actually use it. And I think talking about standards, it's cool, but it can't just stop there. And we have been just slow on that corner. So if nothing else, STAGENET should pull these initiatives to really come to the real refined state where you can actually do what people want to do with it and not just send audio and video over IP. That's not enough.